I want to touch on UNH because this is a stock that we've been looking at quite a bit here on this program, and the hits just keep on coming. UnitedHealth, hit by a $6.5 billion medical cost blowout, launches an AI-led overhaul. I'm not surprised. Drops 600,000 members to regain margins. These are serious challenges. During its second quarter earnings call on Tuesday, UnitedHealthcare CEO Tim Knowles said, "Our pricing assumptions were well short of actual medical costs. We know these are serious challenges, We are humbled by them." As the company now expects the full year Medicare Advantage trend, which refers to year-over-year increase in healthcare costs per member, to be approximately 7.5%, well above the 5% trend that it assumed when setting its 2025 bids. Under Medicare Advantage, private insurers such as UnitedHealth get paid a fixed amount by the U.S. government per enrollee to manage their health care. Quote, physician and outpatient care together represent 70% of the pressure year to date. In short, most encounters are intensifying in services and costing more. The decision to exit underperforming plans, which affects more than 600,000 people, is centered around less managed products such as PPO offerings, which is Preferred Provider Organization. According to Knoll, he added that UnitedHealth has made significant adjustments to benefits in response to margin compression. Executive Chairman Stephen Hemsley, who recently returned to the top role, said the company is undergoing a fundamental reset. He says, quote, "We have embarked on a real culture shift in our relationship with regulators and all external stakeholders," end quote. Helmsley said they intend to infuse this entire enterprise with an AI-first orientation as the company reaffirms its plans to deliver $1 billion in cost reductions by 2026 while targeting a return to earnings growth starting in 2027. UnitedHealth Group has had a rough year in 2025 with the stock down 48% year to date amid a slew of challenges in recent months. It began with the assassination of former CEO Brian Thompson in December of 2024 by Luis Mangione, which later became the subject of an investor lawsuit that alleges the company downplayed the potential impact of his murder on its performance. In May, the stock plunged again due to abrupt resignation of the company's CEO, Andrew Whitty, with former CEO Hemsley succeeding him. That's who we just heard from. The company also suspended its guidance for 2025 at the same time, citing continued acceleration in care activity. Last week, the company announced that it was cooperating with the U.S. Department of Justice Criminal Healthcare Fraud Unit, which has brought UnitedHealthcare's medical billing practices into scrutiny. The company released its second quarter results on Tuesday and reported $111.62 billion in revenue, which was up 13% year over year, but missing the consensus estimate of $111.69. Boy, they barely missed that. UNH here, shares were down 7.46%. This actually had kind of a nasty move, if you recall correctly. A shout out to our traders that ended up hitting this yesterday. Here's what it looked like. We sold off in the pre-market. We actually bounced in the pre-market, rolled over again, tried to bounce out of the open, just did not have the strength, ended up closing on the lows. We're trying to trade up a little bit here today, but I wouldn't put too much into that. Let's see how it actually trades here. Oh, I didn't even share any of that. Oh, my heavens to Betsy. I'm sorry about that. Here's the inside view of the chart there, just so you can kind of see what the price action was.